How to add photo widget to iPhone home screen. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can add a photo widget to our iPhone's home screen. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Adding a photo widget on your iPhone home screen is fairly simple. Locate an empty space on your home screen on iPhone and long press on it until you see this edit button. So tap the edit button from the top left, then tap on add widget. Then when you tap on add widget, just look for the photos widget over here. So scroll down to the photos section and just wait over here, then tap the photos option. Then here you can simply choose the type of photos that you want. Then tap the add widget button and tap the done button. And you've successfully added a photo widget on iPhone home screen. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.